We just learned today that where we're going is actually 4 degrees and snowing, but I think we're still ready, yeah? We're still going?
Still ready. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's go.
Okay.
Hey guys, want a sandwich?
You had to mention the sandwiches.
I go to loud places to search for someone.
I'm touching the tip and just blew martial arts by.
Who will take me home?
Yo, I fell. No, I love it. But yo, I straight fell in like 2 feet.
Can't reach without me.
In the snow, for 3 hours in the snow, up like 20,000 feet, we finally made it.
Let's show them the view. Let's show them the view.
Hi, I'm
Look at this.
Yeah. Cheers, boys. Cheers.
You're safe now. You're safe now until we get home.
We're saving these oranges from animal testing.
Chris, so what do you think so far?
I love it, man. In and out, great call. Fucking Misha with all the food places.
And guess number 1.
Heart.
Guess number 1.
You want to do the gangster walk? Chris, get it.
Guys, you gotta catch up. You gotta catch up.
Oh shit, you gotta catch up.
You gotta catch up. Much better. So this is day 3 of the trip. We're now in Yosemite National Park. It's our first day here, and we're doing a couple hikes.
Centennial Dome, Taft Point.
Yeah, those 2.
You keep saying Centennial, it's Sentinel.
Yeah, Centennial.
At Centennial College.
It's, yeah, we actually just went to Centennial College.
But yeah, here's how day 1 went.
Ain't no surprise that I can't sleep tonight.
Paya! Come here! Yo, Chris! Where you at? Here. Rowan! Alright, come here.
Jump! Holy shit!
Right?
Amnesia's adventures, guys! Amnesia's adventures! Let's go.
I promised my coworkers one thing, and it was to not do that shit. Yeah, no.
Was it scary?
A little bit. The scariest bit is definitely like what your own mind does. You're like, if this rock moves, I'm toast. But if you like clear your mind and shit, it's fine. You take deep breaths and you just like enjoy the view. It's a rock is, yeah, it's been there for years. It'll be there for another day. Damn. Dude, I live for this shit.
When I started this trip, I was 175 pounds. And after the first day, the Korean barbecue, I became 180 pounds. And today, I'm gonna become 190 pounds. I'm eating 12 tacos. Pi's having another 12, but it's gonna be pretty lit. We're having a little picnic here. I think there's a drug deal going down just down the street.
Yeah,
Let's
there's a drug deal over there. That's okay.
Don't stop, tomorrow's another day. Don't stop, tomorrow you feel nothing. Just keep moving. Oh, don't stop, the past will trip you up. You know right now how to be now. Just keep moving. Oh, figure it out, figure it out. Don't stop moving, go, go, go. Figure it out, figure it out. You can do this. So my love, keep on running. You gotta get through today.
So we just went to an abandoned town. I think it's in Nevada. It's still in Death Valley, but it's pretty wicked. They've got like mines over there in the hills. We're gonna go check them out soon. I think this was a hotel. Over there was a bank. The saloon's up the hill. And then, yeah, we're just exploring. It's gonna be pretty lit.